Hi all, welcome to Konya Tech. Today we'll be changing the small screen resolution to local desktop resolution. So currently this is our virtual machine which is a Ubuntu machine, and let's see the current resolution. So go to view and go down and select the virtual screen. So the current size showing as 800 by 600 pixels. So first we need to check out the local resolution. So go to the search box here and type resolution to find out our local desktop resolution. So select that resolution tab, and here you can find in display resolution 1920 by 1080 is recommended. It means this is our host resolution. So remember this 1920 by 1080. So now move to the next step. So minimize this, and here come to the machine and go to the file and select preferences. In preferences, select display. In display, we have to select the hint. In hint, it is giving the current resolution. So we have to set it as 1920 by 1080. So change this to 1080. So click on OK. So now this first step has been completed, and let's move on for the second step. For second step, we have to go to the setting. Here in VirtualBox Manager, click on setting. But in setting, everything is, we need to change this graphics controller. But here the graphics controller is grayed out because our machine is in running state. So we have to switch off this machine. So power off this machine and select the power off and click on power off. So now this graphics controller option is available now. So here we by default is given as VBox VGA, but we have to select VBox SVG. So select this option and click on OK. So now these settings has been done. So start the machine now. So now the machine is starting. So we can close these messages. So close this. Here, if you want to use the keyboard to go to the full screen mode, we have to use keyboard right controller plus F. This is the default key for full screen mode. So for starting, it will take a while. So just wait for a moment. Okay, so let's get to start. So select this username Konya Tech and provide the password and enter. So once log in, we can see this is the current resolution of 800 by 600. Okay, so I will be using the keyboard right controller and F. Okay guys, so you can see here we have moved from 800 by 600 to full screen mode. So same way, if you want to go back to the small screen, use Control and F. So this is how we can set the full screen mode. Thank you so much for joining me in this section.